Hey guys, sorry. Last time my video stopped, but I don't know if it's gonna stop again because it's trying to upload the first one. I'm not sure if it's gonna stop, so I'm sorry if it stops in mid-sentence. I'm sorry. I'm trying to make my hot chicken now. I finally got cake and then stop. Imma. Hot sauce. So hopefully this won't stop today because it's charging and I can't really take it off. The charger. Pepper. Anyways, I always hate how you would think with Tyson chicken that they would clean their wings a little better, but they don't. And it irritates me because there's still feathers on my chicken. I don't like that. I hate that. Look at that. You see that, guys? Feathers on my chicken. See that? I hate that. That irritates me. I don't like feathers on my chicken. That irritates me, guys. So anyways, I'm just going to stick this chicken in the oven and I'm probably going to make the kids something to eat because I really doubt they're going to be able to wait until this chicken's done. And then they probably won't even eat the chicken, so it's just going to be a waste. So I'm pretty much making this chicken go bad. But they're not going to eat it. So I'm going to probably just go ahead and eat it later. Boy, John has it for lunch and stuff. See, it's still recording. Yes, still recording. Sorry, guys. It's not wanting to stay. Stay. My chicken ready. The other chicken's already in the oven. It's my chicken. I like hot chicken. I like spicy chicken. I like the hot, spicy stuff. Probably can't even see what I'm doing. Can you? Or not? So you can at least see maybe the chicken. Can you see the chicken? I don't know if you can see the chicken, but anyways, putting butter in here. Butter in here. Slather my chicken with butter. Because that's what I do. It's biting me. I do that so I don't get the raw chicken stuff in the butter because that's just gross. So I just use 2 spoons. It's easier that way. So anyways. Okay, slather that chicken in butter.